Oh. Oh! Oh! That was so beautiful, it made me cry. Let's go back and listen to that part again. That was amazing. That's actually pulling from a theme we have heard before in this OST, but wow. Wow. Oh, the emotion. The emotion. So bittersweet but profound. Like even there where it does that secondary dominant, which a lot of times would sound cheesy. It's not even. Wow. 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 I don't even want to break down just like the the emotion in that music. It's like that's the point of art, man. It's to make you really feel something. And you know, we can sit around and talk about music theory all day. And it's fun to do. But it's so important to remember that what really, really counts, is the emotion and the experience. And it's like you can see a beautiful house, and that's what this is like. It's like walking into a beautiful house. It's like that house got built because people understood physics and they understood building materials and they knew how to use tools. I don't even have any tissues. They knew how to use tools and they knew geometry, right? Like all those realistic things needed to happen to build the house. And that's what music theory is, right? It's the tools. It's the understanding. It's understanding physics. It's understanding geometry. It's understanding how everything can come together so that every once in a while something truly beautiful and special can happen. And it does not happen every day. But my goodness, when it does, and it's like as musicians, We work so hard to understand all these rules. For these moments, these singular moments, when music can truly take you and transport you to a place where you would never go otherwise, make you feel things that you would never feel otherwise. And it's so much work and it's so hard to get there. But it's all worth it when you find moments like this. Okay. Whew.